As a TCDRS member, if you experience a job change, we have good news. You won't lose your retirement savings. You have several options for managing your TCDRS account. You can continue to earn 7% compound interest each year just by keeping your account open and not taking your money out. If you're vested, you can even choose to receive a monthly benefit for life that includes employer matching once you're eligible and choose to retire. Even if you're not vested, you may want to keep your money in TCDRS. If you take a job with another TCDRS employer or a qualifying employer, you could build enough service time to earn a lifetime monthly benefit. You can roll your money into another tax-deferred retirement account like a traditional IRA or your new employer's retirement plan and avoid paying tax penalties while you continue to save. However, a rollover will not include employer matching. If you're vested, this means you'll miss out on an opportunity to greatly increase your retirement benefit. You can withdraw your money, but keep in mind, you will lose your employer matching and there could be tax consequences. The IRS requires TCDRS to withhold 20% of your money for federal income taxes, and you have to report the withdrawal as income. If you're younger than 59 and a half, you'll probably have to pay the IRS an additional 10% early withdrawal penalty. Please speak with a tax professional about how a withdrawal will affect you. Making a career change can be challenging, but you have options with your TCDRS account that can make the transition easier. To learn more, call TCDRS Member Services at 800-823-7782 or visit tcdrs.org. We're here to help.